Hello friends, welcome back to Loxyo Tech YouTube channel. If you are a Windows user and want to use macOS, switching to a new operating system can be challenging for the first time. Here's everything a Windows user needs to know about beginning with macOS in this tutorial video. We will teach you how to use macOS. Adapting to macOS isn't as complex as you'd think. Just watch this full tutorial to learn how to use macOS. First, when you log into the macOS desktop, it's completely different from Windows. There is no My Computer, Documents, or even Installed Apps icons. Only you can see a dock on the bottom side. If you want to know more about your Mac system, just open the Apple icon in the top left corner and click About this Mac. Now you can see the system specifications and also have a Display Configuration tab and Storage tab. If you want to update your OS, then open Software Update, and now it's checking for the latest updates. If any new updates are available, then install directly from here. Next tab is the Display Configuration tab, which includes the display preference such as display resolution, color profiles, and color calibration options. From here you can also set the display resolution and scaling, and options to configure an external display if it's connected to your Mac. Next tab is the Storage tab. Here you can see the connected storage devices of both internal and external devices such as USB flash drives or built-in SSD. If you want to install any software in macOS or want to use Mac's full potential and features, then first you need to create and register Apple ID and sign into the Mac App Store. If you do not know how to create Apple ID, then check the link in the description to watch the tutorial to create Apple ID. After signing into the App Store, you can search for software and download it directly from the Mac App Store. Select any software from App Store and click the Get icon to download it. There are tons of different categories and software available for download, optimized for both Apple Silicon and Intel processors. Top free apps and paid apps are listed separately to download easily according to the reviews. Next, go to System Preferences and open Apple ID Settings. Here you can see the list of linked devices, password and privacy options. If you want to change your password or profile picture, then open this Apple ID Settings. In General Settings, here can change the desktop themes and colors and can personalize the user interface easily. Next is the desktop and screensaver settings. Here you can change and customize your wallpaper and screensaver. Next is dock and menu bar settings. Here you can see the options already available in the dock and menu bar, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, keyboard brightness, display, sound, and screen settings. If you want to add a new printer or configure any old printer already added in Mac, then open Printers and Scanners settings. A detailed video of how to add and configure printers in macOS has already been uploaded to our channel. Links are given in the description box. In Security and Privacy options, you can enable or disable the permissions of apps to access data from different software installed on your Mac. Click the lock icon and enter the admin password to unlock and edit the permission. If you want to install software and apps from outside the App Store, then you need to allow the app settings from unverified options. To enable this, please watch our video link given in the description about installed apps from unidentified sources. You can customize the keyboard settings here, control the backlit and keyboard delays, and also you can customize your own shortcuts, inputs, and detection. You can also control the trackpad settings on Mac. This is something special settings compared to Windows laptops. You can control the scroll and zoom settings, and also can control and add the gestures used for your trackpad. Then the Magic Mouse settings. Now I don't have any Magic Mouse, so this setting is not available right now. If you connect any Magic Mouse, then you can control the mouse sensitivity, scroll speed, click speed, and the Magic Mouse has the same gesture controls that are available in an Apple trackpad. Also, display settings and battery settings are available. Battery usage and energy indicator graph can be monitored from here. This is one of the useful features of macOS, the Time Machine. It helps to create the whole system backup with the current setting. If you want to know more about Time Machine, check the link in the description. Time Machine is used to clone your Mac into a new external or internal hard disk or USB pen drive without losing your settings and data. This is the startup settings. The same is available in Windows BIOS as a bootable option. If you want to change the boot disk, then in macOS change the startup disk. Here I have only one SSD as a bootable startup disk. A search icon on the top right menu bar is the Spotlight search. You can search any items in macOS using this Spotlight search. Terminal instead of command prompt. You can use this terminal app for executing commands in macOS. Here are the Bluetooth settings. Calendar settings. The Launchpad. All pre-installed and user applications are available in the Launchpad. The dock also contains installed software and other pre-installed applications. There is no My Computer or This PC in macOS. If you connect an external disk or USB drive, it is directly displayed in the desktop. Here in this desktop, the silver untitled disk is the USB pen drive and the yellow disk is the external HDD. Right-click on the Finder icons gets an option to create a new Finder window. On the left side of the Finder window, you can see recent documents, applications, desktops, AirDrop, and other network and external USB disk options. Please note that if you want to use an HDD for both Windows and Mac, then please convert the file system to exFAT. Here you can see the hard disk file format is macOS Extended Journaled. This file format is only readable in macOS, not detected in Windows. If you want to use a hard disk in both Windows and Mac at the same time, then go to Disk Utility and select the hard disk drive from the list. Then click Erase and change the file format from macOS Extended Journaled to exFAT. Finally, this is the Finder window, the same as this PC in Windows. Can access recent documents, desktop, home computer, AirDrop, network settings, applications and utilities, etc. directly from the Finder menu. You can also insert emojis from here. Force quit applications help you to exit any app that is not responding or crashes. You don't control, you command. Mac has 4 modifier keys: Command key, Option or Alt key instead of Control and Function keys in Windows. If you want to copy or paste any items, you use Command+C and Command+V in macOS, instead of Control+C or Control+V in Windows. If you want to install any software from external websites other than the official App Store, like Windows, it doesn't support .exe files for installation. In macOS, for installing softwares, .dmg files are used. It's a disk image file used to install softwares in macOS. Just double-click to open the DMG file, and then drag and drop the software icon to the application folder to install it. Just like copy and paste in Windows. A more detailed video about DMG file installation has already been uploaded in our channel. Please check the related video links in the description. More videos and tips about macOS have already been uploaded in our channel. Please watch our previous videos in Mac playlist. Links are given in the description. I hope this tutorial helps to solve your issue. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Enable the bell icons to get future video notifications. Please post your doubts and suggestions in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.